Power BI continues to evolve with exciting new features to enhance your data exploration experience. Here's what's new this month. Copilot and AI. Simplify data exploration with Copilot, which now offers suggested questions from standard prompts to help you uncover insights effortlessly. Reporting. The Power BI desktop file picker has been updated, making it easier to access recent files, OneDrive, and SharePoint locations seamlessly. Modeling. A public preview of Semantic Model version history is now available, empowering self-service users to recover from critical mistakes while editing semantic models. Visualizations. New tools like the Drill Down Scatter Pro, Lollipop Chart, and more are here to elevate your reporting visuals. Certification. The Fabric Data Engineer certification, DP700, is now generally available, offering professionals an opportunity to showcase their expertise. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.